finally an owner who owns the new TRD lift kit, but also has it installed. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tundra Trd 34 YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video and or a live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a good day. We've been waiting a long time. We've been talking about the TRD lift kit since late last year, waiting for it to be released. It is something that people are just lining up for. In the description below, I will put the Sparks Parts link to get that TRD lift kit if you want it. I will tell you right now, I think they're already on back order because so many people like them, want them. Well, today, Jason from Nevada actually has one installed, just got it done on his Limited. So not only are we going to go over pictures of the before and after, but I'm going to show you some information. I'm going to show you different heights that he took. He took great pictures, and we're going to show it all right now in this video. So I have a list of stuff to tell you, plus some pictures to go over, so bear with me on that. Jason got the work done at Finley Toyota and Finlay Customs, Hendersonville, Nevada, near Las Vegas. The lift cost $2,400. The tires were Nitto Ridge Grapplers 35 by 12.5 R20, and they were about $480 each. And the number of labor hours was 20 hours of labor. So one thing he did suggest, now for this dealership, this was the first one they installed, the TRD lift kit, so it's going to take a little longer up front. If you're going to do the TRD lift kit yourself, see if you could find a dealer that's done a few, and that'll help save you on the labor of it. First time is always a little bit longer, and these things are just rolling out. So if you were to wait like 6 months to a year, you're going to start to see dealerships around the country getting used to this and understanding the steps they have to take. So keep that in mind when spending your money on this lift kit. First, let's take a look at his stock truck, which is a 2022 Limited Crew Max with the TRD off-road package. This is non-iForce Max. This is the regular iForce engine. And now let's take a look at the after picture with this lift kit. As you will see, it has dramatically changed it. I've said since they started putting out the pictures of the SEMA truck last year with the TRD lift kit, it just looks great with the wheel and tires on it and that little more leveled look, and it looks nice and tall. This is what the new gen Tundra needs for sure. So he did say the final outcome, including the tires, the truck is 2.5 inches taller at the rear and almost 5 inches taller in the front. So while you look at pictures, I'm going to go down the list and talk about some of the things that he brought up with his installation. This is the front fender before and after. So as you can see, the mark on the before picture is at about 36, and after it's at about 41. The rear tailgate there tops out at about between 55 and 56, and now it is at 58 with the lift. The top of the roof is just under 75, and now it looks like it's just over 80. And here's some pictures of, he's showing some rub on the sway bar. Keep that in mind, the tire and sway bar are very, very close together. Just something, before you start spending your money, something you should know about that for sure. I appreciate that picture very much because that was going to be one of the questions about the rub. Here's the upper control arm. Beautiful looking lift kit, honestly, with the TRD on there and the big red springs. Kind of like the TRD Pro a little bit. Here's the rear. This is the new shock Bilstein tuned by TRD. It's a nice looking, I love the tread pattern on these Nitto tires, by the way. Nice and aggressive for sure, especially for, you know, an all-terrain. Another good shot there of the rear with the big TRD logo on it. Here is the rear coil bump stop and the new brake lines here. So you get a lot with this kit for $2,400, and you know, $2,400 is a great price. Don't forget, I want to shout this out real quick. SparksParts.com. Like I said, the description will be below for this. Tundra Trd 34 promo code saves you 5%. So every little bit helps with the savings. Here's the front, your steering link, your shock, your axle. That's what the new setup looks like. And here's another view of the front here. Not bad looking at all. I love the red springs. I mean, especially with the TRD package, and he has a black truck here. Everything flows together really nicely. Center cap on the wheels. And here's just the shot of what the truck looks like from different angles. So you got the rear of the truck here. This has the 20-inch TRD wheels that are available on the Limited in 1794. Kept those. Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. Once again, 35, 12.5 R20. Here's the front. Not bad looking. like I said, this lift does wonders for this truck. I'm sure most of you will agree. Shot from the rear. Great looking tire tread, yep. And a great side shot here just to give you an idea of the lift. Now this is where the silver and the chrome actually looks pretty good, because you got the black wheels, the truck is black, and you just got a splash of a machine silver and chrome look here and there, but it's not overdone. And the TRD grille up front, which comes special with the TRD Off-Roads, and TRD Sport I should say, is all black with the chrome Toyota logo in the middle. So not bad at all. So Finley Toyota in Hendersonville, Nevada. Once again, Jason, thank you very much for sending it in. He turned his 2022 limited TRD Off-Road into an absolute beast, and that is a great idea and a great first shot of what the TRD lift kit can do for your truck. Is it expensive? Absolutely. Does it look great when it's done? For sure. Hopefully Jason will keep up with us over the next couple months and talk about how the truck rides over time. Does it change the MPG, which I'm sure it will a little bit. And just overall wear on the tires, all that kind of stuff. We want to hear about this lift kit and what it does to the truck down the road, but absolutely beautiful. Once again, the link will be below if you want to do this. He very much suggests, and I'm going to say this once again because I want to save you guys money where I can. It took about 20 hours of labor for this dealership to do it. It was their first time doing the TRD lift kit. So if you can, and you're not in a super mad rush to get this thing, or get the lift kit now and wait a little while, find a dealership that has done it before, and then the labor costs and the labor hours will definitely drop down quite a bit. I remember when I had my Magnuson supercharger installed, the dealership that did it, it was their first time, and it definitely took a lot longer than, say, going to someone that's done it a bunch of times. Much rather these dealerships and shops take their time and do it right, but just up front you might want to find someone that's done it before to save yourself as much money as humanly possible. So let me know in the comments below. First off, what do you think of the look of this limited that Jason has? I think it looks amazing. I don't think there's much more you could do to that truck now. It's perfect. Leave it alone. That's where I'm at with it. But let me know, what do you think of this lift kit? Is this something you want? Is it something you're willing to wait for? And are you in line to get one already? Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at Tundra Dude 34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. If you are somebody that's in the market for this TRD lift kit, let me know what kind of Tundra you have that you're going to put it on. I would love to get an idea of what people own when they're buying this TRD lift kit. Until next time, take care. Jason, once again, thank you very much.